see photography evolving as a career today?
When I say this, their picture speaks more than 1,000 words.
So, how important is practical learning in photography? Education Dubai, we are offering HND photography program. Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Education Dubai. Today we are very happy to have Ms. Arya Chitra, General Manager, Nikon Youth Program MENA in India, after a wonderful photography workshop at Explore Education Dubai.
Thank you so much for having me. This is Arya Chitra and it was wonderful interacting with students today in Explore Education. Thank you, Pooja, for inviting us.
So I would like to ask you, how do you see photography evolving as a career today?
Photography is evolving as a career because nowadays it has a hands-on application in media studies. In fact, I know that even you run a photography course in Explore Education, and it is relevant in visual learning world today. So I see it as I would say an ongoing career choice. More and more our perspective is not as photography as a career. I really want them to be visually aligned in their thoughts.
So I would now like to ask you, what skills should the photography students focus on?
See, photography has two major skills that we work on. So one is a technical skill and one is a creative skill. Technical skills, I'd say, are easy to acquire. That's where we are there. We'll educate them in those. Creative skill is something that you, I say, acquire by your own perspective. And in that journey, you get to know yourself better. So I feel it's a creative and a technical synergy that photography students should focus on.
And I think also probably it comes with practice.
Absolutely, everything comes with practice. I think and I feel students think photography has a level to achieve. Photography is an evolving art, and you evolve with it as you go forward.
So, how important is practical learning in photography?
When you talk about skill, and like any skill, you have to, how do you master? By practicing it. So it's really important. In fact, whatever you learn in theory and when you apply it in real hands, there's different set of challenges, the different set of insights that you find about when you do it practically. So very important in my knowledge. Like you have to do it like an exercise or as a photo work that you can build on your skills.
Absolutely. I would like to now ask you, because of your years of experience and expertise, what advice do you give to photography students?
What advice? I think as a photographer myself, there's no advice that I would like to give, but then I would like them to encourage themselves in pursuing on visual learning aspect and understand that nowadays in this world that we're living, it's visually employed, and having those skill set adds value to their CV. So need not be a photographer, but then if they are in media, if they are in corporate sector, and having creative skills at the back end really I would say elevates your I would say exploring a project. So it's good to kind of have it all.
Especially I think in today's time where market has evolved and there's a hype of social media and visuals and I think visual storytelling. So I think in this time, definitely, I think this career is a good choice, right?
It does. And you know what, when you share your perspective on social media, it can be your photographs, it can be what you enjoy, you make yourself more relatable to the society. And I feel these social media skills are there to kind of get you connected with the society that we live in, because nowadays, yes, to see your work and to see your pictures, I would relate more to you with your likes and dislikes. So that's one way of kind of taking it forward.
So I'm really glad to inform you that at Explore Education Dubai, we are offering HND photography program, and this program is very practical and it focuses on students in getting industry experience and help build their creative careers.
No, absolutely. I found that out and it's amazing, and I met wonderful students from your batch which I saw their work, and trust me when I say this, their picture speaks more than 1,000 words. I know your students are learning the right set of skills, and I think kudos to you to kind of championing that in your center.
So thank you so much for your time today, and we are actually looking forward to collaborating with you and Nikon for future endeavors and with our courses. Thank you so much,
Pooja. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure, and thank you for having us.
Thank you.
And I think that's such an important thing to pursue on a visual art, and
Absolutely.
And that's what Explore Education is championing. That's my personal recommendation. Anybody who wants to learn the art of photography, we are partnered with the center, and it's one way of kind of honing your skills. So thank you so much.